Thanks for meeting me.
Sure.
I'd like to get your advice on my latest project.
Of course. I heard you were sent to cover a big food festival that has all kinds of barbecue. So how did it go?
Well, things started out great, but then, well, maybe you should watch it yourself.
Hi, English learners. Your lesson today is about my favorite food, barbecue. Your assignment is to find passive sentences. What are those, you might ask? In passive sentences, the subject receives the action. For example, Anna was sent to cover a food festival. Passive sentences have a form of the be verb plus the past participle of the main verb. This lesson is loaded with passive sentences. Hey, that's a passive sentence too. Okay, now it's barbecue time.
Today, a barbecue battle is being held in Washington, D.C. This festival, which is known as one of the biggest food festivals in the United States, brings together barbecue lovers from all over the country. Barbecue is meat that is cooked over an open fire or on a grill. Chicken, pork, and beef are all common meats to grill on a barbecue. No matter which meat you like to barbecue, the sauce is very important. Sauces are taken very seriously by chefs. Most ingredients are kept secret. So, can you tell us what is in your barbecue sauce?
No, I can't tell you.
So tell us, what is the secret ingredient in your barbecue sauce? Sauces are made by the barbecue chefs themselves. Most sauces are made with a tomato sauce, vinegar, and spices.
How many passive sentences did you find? Here is one I found.
Today, a barbecue battle is being held in Washington, D.C.
Now you try it. Turn this sentence from active to passive. Professor Bott loves barbecue. Barbecue is loved by Professor Bott. Good job. And yes, I do.
There are some areas of the U.S. that are known for their tasty barbecue. The states of Texas, North and South Carolina, and the cities of Memphis and Kansas City are known as the barbecue belt. People who are loyal to barbecue are really loyal to their favorite barbecue. That is why this festival is called a battle. Let's ask a couple of people which barbecue is best.
Texas, of course.
Carolina barbecue is the very best.
Kansas City, Memphis style.
Kansas City.
Texas,
Kansas.
Texas,
Kansas.
Texas,
Kansas.
This is Anna
I said
Mateo
Kansas.
reporting.
Texas.
She keeps saying Texas, I said Kansas.
Kelly, people feel so strongly about barbecue. Unbelievable. So, what do you think of my project?
This is what I think. There is no way that Texas has the best barbecue. I am from Kansas City, and we have the best barbecue in the whole country. My mother and father owned a barbecue restaurant, which was really famous. So I know barbecue. Anna, I know barbecue. I know barbecue. I know barbecue.
Oh my, Kelly knows a lot about barbecue, and you know more about passive sentences. Be sure you go to the website to learn even more. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm hungry.